In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the button style on Shopify. If you want to give your online store a fresh and unique look, tweaking the style of your buttons can make a significant difference. Let's dive right into it and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open your Shopify site editor. This is where all the magic happens, allowing you to customize the visual aspects of your online store to match your brand and aesthetic preferences. Once you have the site editor open, focus on the button that you want to modify. Simply click on the button, and you'll notice that the settings for this button will automatically appear on the left panel of your screen. This is your central hub for adjusting the button's features and ensuring it aligns perfectly with the rest of your site's design. Within this left panel, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled as the Style Selector. This drop-down is your gateway to changing how your button appears to visitors. Click on it, and a list of predefined styles will be presented to you. Each style option you see here is tailored to work seamlessly with the template that you've used to build your site originally. Templates in Shopify are designed with a cohesive look in mind, so any style you select from this list should integrate smoothly with your site's overall design theme. Now, this bit is essential to remember. You're customizing within the scope of your chosen template. This means the styles available are determined by the specific template you opted for when setting up your site. If you find the styles somewhat limited, it might be worth considering if a different template could better suit your needs, offering a different range of style options more aligned with your vision. And just like that, you've successfully managed to change the button style on your Shopify store. It's a straightforward process, but making these minor adjustments can significantly impact the look and feel of your site. A small change like this can enhance user experience, convey your brand's identity more effectively, and even encourage more interaction and engagement from your visitors. While it might seem simple, the button style can often set the tone for your customers' shopping experience as they navigate through your store. Take this opportunity to experiment with different styles and see how each changes the visual dynamics of your site. And remember, you can always switch back or try new options if the style you've chosen doesn't quite fit the way you imagined. So feel free to get creative and have fun with it. Thank you for tuning in to today's tutorial. We hope it has been helpful and informative. Keep exploring new ways to improve your store, and check back soon for more Shopify tips and tricks.